In physics, we need challenge. If we want progress in physics, must be challenge. Without challenging uh, the established paradigm of physics, we will never have progress. So I am now challenging everybody here in this scientific community of physicists. People who think that the universe exists in physical time, they have to prove existence of physical time. We have to understand once forever that existence of physical time is a working hypothesis. Nobody ever measured, nobody ever carried out an experiment that would confirm that physical change happened in some physical time. So we have to go now really on the edge. We have to go to in the center of the problem. If nobody on this globe can prove that time has physical existence, then we have to drop this idea. Otherwise, there will be no progress. So, what is the challenge now? The challenge is that someone will come up with the experiment and he will say, okay, I have this experiment, I carried out this experiment, that with clocks we measure some time that runs in the physical universe in which changes happen. If this cannot be proved, then we have to rewrite books of physics and say changes, let's say motion, happen only in space, and time is numerical order of, let's say, this motion. And when we measure this numerical order, because we see that in the universe things are happening, events are happening one after other. So there is numerical order. Nobody can deny numerical order. Denying numerical order would mean that someone would deny change, but nobody can deny that change happens. And nobody can deny that change has numerical order. And numerical order of change is mathematical time. This is the only time that exists in the universe. And when we measure this mathematical time with clocks, we get time as duration. This is emergent time. The fact is that we experience motion through the linear time that is in the brain. And now for hundreds of years, we are projecting this psychological time in the physical universe, and this time is not there. And we can we can do our best, but without having this insight, there will be no progress in physics. So I'd like that if you see this video, send it to the most competent to the most prestigious universities, to the most world-renowned, world-famous physicists, to say, to give the answer. Do we have a physical time in the universe? The universe really exists in some physical time, or we don't have physical time. That means that universe exists in space, and this space is time invariant. In the universal space is always now and only now. This now is eternity itself. If you can't get this, then you can't do any progress in physics. So thank you very much for attention. I'm waiting now a few days for someone that will give us a proof that physical time exists and that motion happens in some physical time. Otherwise, we are ready for the paradigm shift.